Alright, Denji, power, angel level, let's go.
Yeah, I just like.
I wanna be here.
There we go.
Call. Denji, where'd you
Well,
go? There we go.
It's
I'm right
cold, you have
here.
a fucking jacket on, so put on properly, bro. And I know shit's cold,
No.
you're wearing shawl! You literally roll your fucking pants up, bro. Let's go.
Can we just like go in?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, get us all the way.
It's some empty.
I don't like this place already.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take a key.
Game on.
Okay, 911. Okay, 911. No, 911.
Where are the
911.
keys? How am I supposed to get in a room
Oh.
if there's no keys? Ooh.
That.
Iron. Denji. You also I'm iron in your clothes.
Angel Devil! Angel Devil just disappeared in that room.
Denji, come on.
Yeah,
Denji,
really?
come on.
Denji! I think that's Devil.
Angel.
Denji! Stop
An-
lagging. Oh,
Angel.
He's lagging. Holy.
Denji.
There's a
Oh,
devil.
It's a gay hallway! Gay hallway!
Yeah, guys, the next
There's Devil.
We're in a gay hallway! I wanna go in the Stranger Things looking thing!
I know.
Oh.
Yeah, that's definitely the upside down.
I don't wanna be in here anymore!
Jump down.
Denji.
Hey,
Oh,
Denji.
no.
Denji.
Shut up.
Are we in the black room?
I'm gonna cry!
Power.
Let's go.
Happy birthday, Paul!
Let's go.
I want in!
I'm birthday, Denji! Boom! Boom! Bang! Anyway.
Oh god. Oh god, okay.
Okay, calm.
Denji, no!
Okay, just
You
go.
went down
Let's
the
go in here, bro.
slide. Aw, it didn't lead to my dad.
Birthday!
Okay.
Oh. Oh, no, he's lagging.
He's running at 2
Holy
frames
lag
per
spike, bro.
second.
Holy lag spike, bro.
Rose
I'll be editing this, so I'll remove that part when Ben.
in the terms and conditions of my employment.
Ow! Fine. Wow, hallway.
Holy Roblox hotel looking ass.
Why you talking about
Yeah.
If everyone knows what I'm talking about, that's a childhood ass game, bro. About the fucking hotel
Roblox?
stories and the fucking
Wait,
Roblox,
guys.
bro.
This is
Wait,
a
what's
way
Roblox?
trust.
I don't want to
Yeah, what the
trust.
hell's a robot?
Go on.
I don't have that internet.
What? Holy lag spike!
Guys. Guys.
Oh, okay.
What in the Infinity Castle?
What in the...
What in the... Let's go! Anyway.
Cool.
Holy lag spike, bro. Oh, what's over there? Should we split into two?
YOLO.
Should we
I
split
touch
into two?
myself, does my lifespan get less?
I damn straight enough, Denji. Denji, Jesus Christ.
Denji,
Ooh!
stop moving!
Ooh, balls.
I wanna, what? I wanna push it. I wanna push it.
You're too short and weak, power, bro.
Guys, I'm gonna stay here for a while. You guys go ahead and I'll catch up, alright?
No,
you're
Denji,
staying
no,
with us.
no.
You're staying with us, Denji.
If you don't stay, I'm gonna touch you.
Denji, this is your favorite shape. Come on, Denji. Come on, Denji. Come on, Denji.
You not go. I'll come catch up.
No, Denji. Ow!
Oh,
Hey!
shit. I'm sorry. Oh, shit. I did not mean to hit power. I did not mean to. I did not mean.
Go. Go. All three of you go. Go.
Oh no, Rise privileges!
Wait, no,
Rise
Denji, no, no, no,
privileges
you're
gone.
supposed to
Listen, I got to steal my phone, alright?
There'll be no signal. We don't even know where. Hold on, let me just go on my phone.
Go over there.
Yeah, no signal.
I don't care
No
what.
Wi-Fi as well.
I'll catch up.
Oh. Mm.
Be safe,
No,
mate.
No, I don't trust you being alone. You come back over here. No.
Oh, let's go.
Aki, can I talk
come
power
on.
for a minute?
Yeah.
I don't want. No.
Well, splits
Power,
two.
power.
Power and
No.
Denji, you go with each other, and me and Angel
Yeah, bet.
Devil will go because we're cool.
Yeah, we're so gay for each other.
Denji.
What?
Um,
That's not the way. That is not the
Here.
way.
Aki, I got this.
Let's go. Just go. Let's just go.
Don't die.
Oh, that's a laser beam. No. Aki, there's no.
I'm
No.
gonna
Oh,
cry, though,
oh.
but don't die.
He won't die. Just leave him.
I'm gonna cry anyway. Just don't.
I think.
Don't die,
Like-
Denji. If you do, I'll
Yeah.
kill you myself.
What?
No, I die. Anyway.
You better not die. Not like I'll cry though, but still don't die. It's not nice to die.
Oh, exit! Look, guys, exit!
Oh, I think there might be an X.
Yo, guys,
What?
big black man!
What is that?
Monkey.
Ah!
What in the pool rooms is this?
This might be the pool rooms. Alright,
He better not
Power,
die.
power.
Okay.
okay.
Power.
Calm.
You're
Calm.
scared of baths. And there's water here.
Just go on my back. Power, just go on my back.
I can't.
Hold on. Hold on.
She just starts levitating.
Yeah, I think I don't have Google Look on. Just
You don't have any seats.
just put Google Loco on and just do like a piggyback fucking thing or shoulder.
No. No, I'm fine. No, I'm fine. Fine. I'm fine. I'm fine.
I've
I
got
thought
you
you- I
guys.
thought
I'm a vegetable. I'm fine.
Dude! Power's finally taking the bath!
Ooh.
No!
Guys,
No!
why is the light change?
Okay, Power. Just come on. Come on.
I don't want to go down. I don't want
Alright.
to.
I think that might be a devil. So, yeah, I'm a devil, bro.
Autistic floor. Got an autistic floor.
Yeah.
I'm going to continue to walk on this one.
Denji? If Denji fucking goes home, bro.
Fine.
He's fine, he's actually fine.
He's not gonna die. He's
Leave him a message, I'll leave him a message. So,
I am the strongest, of course.
when it comes over here, I'll leave a message. Whatever you do, don't go down. No fucking shit, you don't jump down, Aki. Fucking hell. This is a moment of history. Guys, whatever you do, don't jump down. This is a fucking reward ceremony. Reward for Aki being smart. Jump down.
Oh, there's a whiteboard.
Wait, don't. He's fine, calm down. But he doesn't know how to read.
What? No, what? Yeah, huh?
Ooh, ah.
Middle.
Denji!
Denji!
Oh, he's right there.
You're right. Are you hurt?
I'm fine.
Let's go to the
I thought
middle.
you died.
Why would I die? I got plot armor.
Yeah, let's go to the model. Oh shit!
Hi.
Okay, can we just appreciate how Aki just fell down on purpose? Like, what the fuck? Go follow this guy. Look at him. He's just fallen down on purpose. And imagine this. Aki doing a Heil Hitler. Well done. Imagine saying, guys, don't jump, even though he did. Like, well done, Aki. Wow.
Oh, shit. Oh!
Why the fuck did he just moan?
The fuck? The void. Bitch, this ain't Sasha Gojo looking up. Holy lock spike. Denji?
I'm sorry. Did my ears fucking deceive me? Like, I heard Denji's name, like, Denji. I'm just fucking surprised that you are a dumbass. Like, can we just appreciate Aki being a dumbass bitch? I'm just roasting myself, by the way. Fuck me.
You're fucking dead.
I'm going to lose my mind. No fucking shit that you're fucking dead!
Dude, it's coming! Anyway. Yo!
Come.
Sadness.
What's up, guys?
Oh my god, Denji, finally, you fucking here. So basically, when Aki was dead, he literally shouted your name. Like, was it fucking crazy? He literally said, Denji? Huh. He literally said, yeah, I'm fucking dead. And stuff. Like, can you appreciate his retardedness?
Comfort. Obviously, sadness.
Don't work on me. Fight.
Fight.
Cause why not?
Myself.
Left.
Who the fuck's that?
I said
So-
right.
Me.
God, that looks like Nobara, bro. This is not Jujutsu Kaisen, bro.
Either that or Shoko.
That's Shoko. Yeah, Shoko,
Red
or...
Oh,
Go
Denji
ahead.
went red.
This is blue. What the? Denji?
This,
Oh.
Yeah.
this is not
Are we
blue.
back in the pool
Okay.
room?
No.
Go on. Come on.
I was so close to falling in.
You can walk on water?
Crash and face will never fall. Every day's supernatural.
Me and Denji had the same idea. Ooh, fuck.
Hurry up, guys. I said
You literally catch the-
me.
Angel Devil's catching up. Why are you two not? Should we go straight, left, or right?
I think we should go.
Straight, 'cause I'm
forward.
straight.
But
I think we should
Debatable.
go up.
I go.
I want
Sorry,
to go up.
dude. I have to avoid copyright,
Happy
bro.
birthday.
No. Shut up. I'm not gonna die. Neither is Denji. So I like.
Yeah, you guys might die. I won't. Blood armor.
Because you're main
remember?
character, mate. Shut up.
Exactly, so I won't die.
Wait, I'm supposed to be.
That actually sounds kind of tasty.
Yeah, this looks.
In the pool rooms.
Go there.
It's a pool. It's not a pool.
Have you reached peace of mind?
Good game.
Have I reached peace of
fucking
mind?
swim, remember?
No. I
Oh,
haven't
yeah.
reached peace of mind. Guys, if you haven't reached peace of mind, press no.
Okay, we're in the
Yeah.
bathrooms now. Perfect. We're in level 0.
No, I'm getting flashbacks of school.
It looks like the
I'll see
hallway.
you
It looks like the hallway.
We're
That looks
free.
like the hallway. Wait, I can just wait. Why can't I
Don't
just
come
squeeze
through,
through
don't
this
come through.
wall?
Don't come
No,
through.
you don't.
Are you schizo?
No, there's
Fucking
bars.
bars.
It's
the next
the
day.
bar.
Fine.
It's the Allahu Akbar devil.
Aki. Aki,
I'm
fine.
out.
don't be an idiot.
I'm
Wait, there's a
getting
door.
out. Bye.
There's a door.
Come on, Aki.
Don't leave it back. Can't win. Alright. Do you know what? I hear someone. Devil? Nail. Oh! Denji! In no way I say Denji except for Idol Devil power. This way. This place good. Why is my eyes move like that, bro? Fucking scares me. Yo! Wait, that's NPC, fuck off. Couldn't go to the same place. Huh? Kill Lumbe. Lumbe? Guess kill? Get out of here. Get out of here, bro. No, I just killed someone. I just killed someone. Huh? I'm not. No. Back in this place. I'm going to that yard. I'm going to that field. Fuck off. Get out of here. There was actually bars. There was actually next door.
Yeah, Lucky.
Oh, I'm so sorry we left you. Yeah, no, we couldn't. We
I'm
That's
not-
good.
okay.
I've seen stuff.
You didn't come with us, bitch.
I killed them. I actually killed them.
Kill who? Who did you kill?
Look at Cyclops.
No, no.
Hello.
Elbow.
Hello, look.
Denji.
Oh my god, it's Cyclops.
You killed your cow for a reason.
And you died for a reason. Oh, you wanna go, Bob? Let's go.
Oh, okay.
You wanna go?
Oh, whoa! That was lags, holy. Don't. Oh, she gets it. Don't. Oh, she gets it. I'm holding her hostage, holy.
Jenny, confident. Wait, shoot my arms. I dare you. I dare you. Should've come for the head. Sucker. You know? You know, when I fought... Never mind.
Whoa!
You fucking touch me.
Ha.